Welcome back to the channel. Today, you're in for something truly special. A stunning collection of the most beautiful and trendy crochet baby dresses for 2026. If you love creativity, softness, and adorable fashion for little ones, then this video is just for you. Let's dive right in. As you can see, crochet baby dresses in 2026 are all about elegance, comfort, and detail. Designers are focusing on soft textures, breathable yarns, and patterns that are both modern and timeless. Take a look at this first design. Notice the delicate stitching and the way the fabric flows so gently. It's perfect for special occasions like birthdays, family gatherings, or even a baby photo shoot. Now moving on to the next piece. This one stands out because of its unique color combination. Pastel tones are a huge trend this year. Soft pinks, baby blues, creamy whites, and light lilacs are dominating the crochet fashion scene. And look at the detailing here. From the lace patterns to the tiny decorative elements, every stitch adds a touch of love and craftsmanship. What makes crochet dresses so special is that each piece feels handmade and personal. It's not just clothing, it's art. As we continue, you'll notice another trend in 2026, layered designs. These dresses have multiple textures combined into one outfit, giving them a more luxurious and stylish look while still keeping them lightweight and comfortable for babies. Here's another beautiful design. Simple, yet incredibly elegant. Sometimes less is more, and this proves it perfectly. The clean pattern and smooth finish make it ideal for everyday wear. Now check this one out. Absolutely adorable. As we move forward, notice how some designs include matching accessories, little hats, headbands, or booties. These complete the entire look and make the outfit even more eye-catching. And here's another standout piece. Bold yet soft. The balance between creativity and simplicity is what makes 2026 designs truly unique. If you're someone who enjoys crochet, these designs can also inspire your next project. Whether you're making something for your baby or as a gift, these ideas are absolutely worth trying. Take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship in this next dress. Every stitch is carefully placed, creating a pattern that is both intricate and beautiful. We're almost at the end of this collection, but the creativity just keeps getting better. This final set of designs showcases the future of crochet fashion. Modern styles mixed with classic techniques, resulting in dresses that are both trendy and timeless. So, which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this collection, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more beautiful designs like these. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.